Hi, you guys, welcome back. Acha, so we know that Raksha Bandhan is coming up, and this is the first major festival which is coming up ever since the lockdown has been implemented. But I know this year feels weird and बहुत मन नहीं होगा करने का because probably you and your brother are in different cities, different towns, and not being able to meet. Or even if you're in the same city, you might be meeting with the mask on and all the protection and everything. But do not get disheartened. I don't think you should let this day go waste. So here I am with 3 eye makeups, very easy eye makeups because masks are mandatory, right? Even when you're meeting anybody for that matter. So I think eye is the only way where you can amp up that look and you can actually get into the festival mode. So yes, I am here with 3 very easy eye makeups. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you enjoy this festival as much as you can. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So my base is all done. I am looking pale because there is no eye makeup, but without any further ado, let's jump into the first look.
Alright, so the first look basically is a winged eye with a pop of color. So for this I'm taking a pink base lipstick. A liquid liner, a sketch pen liner for precision, kajal and mascara. I know that's a lot of products, but it will all come together. So the lipstick that I'm using is Maybelline in the shade Touch of Spice. It's a beautiful pink color, as you can see. You can absolutely choose whatever color you want. But this specific lipstick is creamy in nature and it's very easy to glide on and it blends well. So for the winged eye, take any sketch pen liner or any liquid liner. Basically we need something जिसका precise end हो. Don't use kajal. And the trick for this is that जो आपका waterline है, just go in continuation of that, dot a line जितना भी लंबा wing चाहिए and then join it to the eyeline area. This is the easiest way to apply a winged eyeliner and I know this is a very tricky application and it will only get better with practice. After the wing is achieved, draw your normal eyeliner and connect it to the wing. It takes a lot of time to get that precise wing and how they call it the snatched wing. So don't do this in a hurry, take your time and it takes time, so don't get disheartened कि अगर wing ठीक ठाक नहीं आया तो. I was very excited that I got it in the first go. Now to complete the look, I will just put kajal on my waterline and I will connect it to the wing so that it gives the entire eye a shape. After that, curling the eyelashes with the eyelash curler. Don't worry, it's a very safe tool to use. And a generous amount of good mascara. Also, what is that mascara applying face? So I'm done with one eye with that and I'll quickly do the second off camera. With that, the second eye is complete. The wings are looking nice, they look crisp. I'm pairing this look up with a nice pink cloth mask to give it the festive look. Alright, moving on to the second look. This is a smoky eye. For this you'll need kajal and an earbud. That is it. So for this look you will just draw a very rough line on your eyelid. Do not be precise and go as bold as you want to. After that I'll take the earbud and I will start smudging this in. So the key to a smoky eye is that it has to be smudged well and it has to make a statement. You can also use your finger to smudge it, whatever is more comfortable for you. You can keep building the smoky eye up according to your preference. I have taken a little more kajal because it felt incomplete and I just wanted to have that complete smoky eye look. Go according to your need of intensity. I'll just make little lines at the end of the smudge to give that a borderline, a boundary of sorts, and smudge that in as well. And obviously a generous layer of mascara. The mascara के बिना तो कोई look complete होता ही नहीं है. And kajal as well. I am pairing this eye look with a nice white base mask. It's a beautiful mask. And honestly, nothing complements black like white does. I absolutely loved doing this and it was so quick. And now to the last and the final eye look. This is probably the most festive of all the looks because this has shimmer in it. So for this I'm using a shimmer pencil. You can use any shimmer pencil or any shimmer powder or highlight, whatever you have. Eyeliner and of course mascara. So much like the smoky eye, iske liye bhi I will start coloring the eyelid with the shimmer pencil. I will apply a generous amount and blend it in with my little finger. If you are using a powder shimmer, you can also use your finger to apply to your eyelids. And you can keep building it up according to your intensity. So the shimmer pencil that I am using here is from Miniso. Not gonna lie, I love a shimmer eye when it comes to festivals or festivities at home. It really adds to the entire attire that you're wearing. Now I'll go in with my eyeliner. I'm not going any wing or any fancy eyeliner for this look. I'll normally put a line of eyeliner right above the lash line. So personally, I am not a very big fan of winged eyeliners. I prefer this normal, absolutely normal eyeliner look. But of course, whatever you like. Just remember when you're using a liquid liner that you let it dry well. Otherwise, it tends to stain the upper lid very quickly and that can absolutely spoil the entire eye look. So let it dry well before you start applying it again. It took me an embarrassing amount of time to get a normal line of eyeliner. God. I am using the same shimmer pencil in my waterline, but you can substitute this with any color pencil or kajal. Here comes the dangerous tool, the eyelash curler. And obviously followed by mascara. Are you ready to see the mascara face again? There it is. That is the look done. I am pairing this look with a nice orange ikat mask. This really complemented the shimmer eye, and orange also is a very festive color. But if you're not meeting your brother in person this Rakhi and you're meeting over Zoom or video call, it's a good idea to put on nice lipstick with it. With the shimmer look, I'm putting a nude because a bold eye should always be complemented with nude lips. But for the other looks, you can absolutely go with your favorite lipstick. You could go with red, pinks or browns.
So these are my 3 eye makeup looks, which are very easy to do, absolutely festive, and you can absolutely rock them with any mask that you are wearing. If you plan to recreate any of it, please send me a photo. It would actually mean the world to me. I would love to see what you have done to it. But other than that, take care of yourselves, guys. Be safe, but enjoy the festival to the fullest. Loads of love. Bye.